Sure. Thank you. Thanks, Abby. Thanks, Jack. Thank you. That head warmer's kind of nice. That head warmer, I like that. Touch
His
something.
manners on full display, Kirk Cousins and the Redskins welcome the Packers on a blustery night.
Ball down.
Looking for their 6th win in 8 games.
Throws it out to the right man as there's the big man, Jordan Reed, all the way down to the Green Bay 15. 55 seconds to go.
Hey, tight huddle. Hey, they're in nickel. We're gonna pound the rock here and then get a timeout right afterwards, okay? What's that?
Hands off to Rob Kelly. Through a hole to the 5, into the end zone. And the Redskins take the lead.
Now we talking.
Great job, Rob Kelly. Way to keep those legs turning.
Rodgers in the shotgun, empty backfield again. Redskins bring the blitz. Rodgers pumps, looking, and Rodgers delivers it to Nelson in the end zone. He drops the ball, but they call it a touchdown.
If Calvin Johnson in Chicago a bunch of years back is not a catch, then how is that a catch? If Des Bryant's catch in the playoffs a couple years ago isn't a catch, how is that a catch?
After review, the call on the field stands. Touchdown.
I just don't understand the rule then. I just don't get it.
You got to win in the third quarter, so take advantage of it.
Yes.
So push the tempo just a little.
Yes, okay. What's that?
3rd and 11. Kirk back to throw. He's going down the middle, looking for Crowder. And he's caught at the 5, and he is in! Touchdown, Redskins, Jamison Crowder.
Hey, great pocket. Great pocket. Great pocket. Great pocket.
You missed that so bad in practice when there's no wind, and then you drop a dime.
Oh, no, he made a great catch, too.
That's a great throw.
Inside give Rob Kelly. Redskins trying to push that pile, and they don't get it. They're going to come up short.
They came out and measured. They're a foot short. It's 4th and a foot, up 5, and they're coming out to go for this, Chris.
Listen to me. We're QB sneaking in here, okay? We're going to go on 1.
Which direction?
QB sneak right. Half back at 6. What's that?
QB sneak, and Kirk Cousins gets the first down.
Gutsy call there by Jay Gruden. Wow.
Let's go, man. Let's get a bunch here. Let's get a little chunk here. Here we go, man. Big drive here. All right, guys. Showtime. Touch!
No huddle by the Redskins. Cousins to throw again. Cousins going to go for all of it down the middle.
Into the wind, the home run ball.
Looking for Garcon, caught at the 30. The Haitian sensation is all the way.
Great job. Great job. Good pocket.
Kirk Cousins goes over 300 yards with that touchdown.
Great job. Way to run. Way to break the tackle. I don't know, man.
I wouldn't have got that ball 20 yards into this wind.
And then he pulled through the tackle. That was big.
What a throw.
Thank you. Thank you. Wait, on.
The shotgun. Feeling some heat. Gonna go over the middle. Caught by Crowder at the 35. Breaks the tackle. Another to the goal line.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to have been much of a factor for him flowing into the wind, which is amazing.
High fives from everyone. High fives from everyone. Everyone get in on the high five party. High five party. Oh, man. That felt good. What's that?
Straight give up the middle. Rob Kelly threw a hole across the 40, 45 to the 50. Up the right sideline to the 40, 35, 30 to the 20, 15, 10, and he's down at the 5-yard line.
Look at that run, baby. Hey, we're going to take the 2 minutes so you can relax and feel good about yourself, okay? He's a good running back, man. Way to pound the rock. Way to pound the rock. Way to show no emotion, too. You're numb to it. What's that?
Get off to Rob, right up the middle. He's in for a Redskins touchdown.
Celebrate! 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 As a team! Celebrate! Celebrate! Good job, man. That felt good.
There's your signature win,
That
bro.
felt good,
That's
baby.
good time.
Felt good. Yeah, that's good. I don't care what their record is or what his production is. He's the best in the world.
Disagree. Sorry. I think I saw the best tonight.
On my way, but not there yet. Thank you.
Good luck, man.
I study you, man. You're the best. I love when Josh called you Gandalf, man. You really are a wizard, man.
Not that old, man.
You really are a wizard, though.
Great job.
You're the best, man.